guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. I just want to share a very quick deal with you all and thank you all for joining me once again. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go grab this free deal. The 30-ounce all detergent and the 19-count mighty packs are on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. So I'm going to pick up 1 detergent and 1 mighty pack for a total of $10. I'm going to use 2 $1 coupon, 1 for the detergent and 1 for the mighty pack. It's the same coupon but it's working for both. After the 2 coupons apply, I'm going to pay $8 and get $5 back. Then I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back on the detergent and $1.50 back on the mighty packs. That means I'll get back $3 from Ibotta, making these 2 free. Let's go over my receipt and see how it all worked out. Both coupons are applied. I used $7 extra care box, paid $1 plus tax out of pocket, and I got $5 back. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. It picked up a $2 offer instead of the $1.50 offer. It did not pick up the mighty pack offer. I have to scan that one in. And I also have a 20 cents any receipt off. That's why I got back $3.70. This transaction ended up being free and 70 cents moneymaker. And this concludes this video. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support and I'll talk to you all next time.